Hi guys, and welcome to another edition of HomeCookingDoneRoxy, and this is Dawn Platinum Power Wash Dish Spray Fresh Scent. That's the name of it. So I want to show y'all a little something. So I've been cleaning my cabinets with it, and this is the grease that came off of my cabinets. Okay, so what you do is spray. I already sprayed it. This is the clean one. This is the dirty one. And I also sprayed here. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna take a nice clean cloth. Here's the clean cloth. And I'm gonna just wipe it. See? Just wipe. It come right off with no problem. Instead of going out and buying all that degreaser and all that, you could just use your regular. Look how this don't make no sense. You don't realize how much grease, grit, and dirt you get on your cabinets. But now they are clean. Take it from Roxy. It does a great job. Oh, and one more thing. So I know you're not like your mama and stand and scrub and scrub and scrub and scrub, but this also gets out collar stains. Wait. Just spray it. Let it soak. Throw it in the machine. Just throw it on in now. And wash. So this is Roxy again. I just wanted to let you know that this is a very, very powerful, useful cleaner. I got mine from Sam's Club. You can get yours from the regular store. I think it was about maybe $10 because it was on sale. It came with 2 bottles, 2 refills, and then this regular powerful bottle here. So I've been using it to clean my kitchen, my cabinets, my refrigerator, and I have released some stains from my work uniforms. So try it. You will not regret it. I promise you. Look at the difference in the cabinets. See the grease? Look. I just wiped it off. Just like that. And this will happen. Try it. Try it. Take it from Roxy. Try it. You won't regret it. Try it.